Hello, good morning to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. Greetings from Tihany, not far from the boat station, not far from the monastery, where I took this short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for different IT professionals for KBC Global Services Hungary that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We are an international team of Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are growing the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip, I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements, and the selection process as well. Well, at the moment I'm looking for a system engineer for virtual platforms who is specialized in NetScaler solutions. And I'm sorry, I will have to use a script because the job specification is quite long and complex and I want to be accurate. So as a system engineer, you will become part of the virtual platform team to ensure that the applications can be offered virtually as well. The team is involved in large-scale enterprise-level projects, including the idea phase, the analysis, and the design. They also provide support in implementation and testing. Designing, implementing, managing, maintaining, and securing the IT infrastructure is also part of their job, including hardware, software, and networks, which is currently mainly on-prem environment. Providing access to the virtual platform is also their job, currently Citrix, controlled by NetScaler. The goal is to refresh the Citrix NetScaler infrastructure, make it more reliable, secure, and flexible. Build high availability and zone independence features for production is also their job. Offer and manage smartphones and laptops inside the company. Manage the network used by employees and visitors at the head office, international sites, bank offices, and insurance agents is also their task. Packaging and distributing applications, implementing and managing security tools to components on laptops and smartphones is also part of their job. And what your job will be is you provide second level and third line support, troubleshooting to resolve issues and problems, solve problems in Windows and Citrix and network environments. You will have to use security technologies for integration, configuration, and maintenance. You will also have to use modern endpoint platforms, for example Windows and different mobile devices, including iOS and Android. Maintenance and system upgrades is also part of your job, including service packs, patches, hotfixes, and security configurations. Performance monitoring to ensure system availability and reliability is also your task. System resource utilization, trends and capacity planning, change management to ensure awareness, approval, and success of changes is also your job. Implement security tools, policies, and procedures together with the company's team. With the company's security team is also your task, and you will also have to interact with vendors and other IT professionals to solve problems. And of course, configuring and installing different devices and services is also your task. And what we expect from you is strong analytical skills. You should be flexible, respond to unforeseen circumstances. You should do the last minute adjustments, sometimes in tight deadlines. You will have to work independently, but you enjoy working as part of an international team too. You should also take the initiative and learn quickly. Manage your day-to-day work and set priorities is also an expectation. You should be customer-oriented and solution-oriented. Knowledge of operating system is also a requirement. Knowledge of network security technologies, including firewalls and VPNs, is also needed. Fluent English, willingness to learn new technologies is also required. Experience on a large-scale projects with enterprise-level solutions. And we need more NetScaler know-how and execution power on board. So this is why we are looking for a system engineer for virtual platforms specialized in NetScaler solutions. Alright, so I think it is time for me to tell you some information about the package. So what we offer here at KBC Global Services Hungary is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses, a Medicover health package, company phone with mobile internet and private use, and special employee discount on different banking services. And as for KBC, this is a stable and secure environment with different career opportunities, learning opportunities, training training programs and training courses. And this is an English-speaking working environment with business trips to Belgium. Sometimes the Belgian colleagues come here, sometimes we go to Belgium, and we have flexible working hours, so there is no strict check-in and no strict check-out, and no one's gonna check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week, and we also have a very active community life and events with dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we also have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube, which is really beautiful. And if you commute by bike, for example, you can use the bicycle storage and the showers as well. As for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me. Then the second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the team members. And the third one, the final one, is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So, apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. So thank you very much for your attention, thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. Keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress, where I have a blog. Plus the voice of these clips are also available on in a podcast format on YouTube Podcast, where I also post on YouTube Short. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye.